What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the PotentStream before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the PotentStream works. What is PotentStream? PotentStream is a completely natural supplement designed to support optimal prostate health as you age. It aids in alleviating symptoms such as frequent urination, weak urine stream, and urine leakage. With its user-friendly dropper, maintaining prostate health is effortless, ensuring a vibrant life as you grow older. PotentStream is a mineral-free solution aimed at sustaining a healthy prostate, kidneys, and urinary tract. Formulated with 9 distinctive ingredients, it's tailored to assist men in maintaining prostate wellness well into their later years. With PotentStream, you can be confident in the longevity of your prostate health. For optimal results, the manufacturer recommends taking 1 full dose of PotentStream each morning. Whether you prefer to consume it directly or mix it into your favorite beverage, it blends seamlessly. Prior to use, a thorough shake of the bottle ensures a potent combination of all ingredients. In this PotentStream review, I emphasize the significance of purchasing directly from the official website to unlock numerous discounts. This ensures authenticity and quality. The PotentStream supplement review provides vital information to aid in deciding if the product aligns with your needs. Many individuals question whether PotentStream is effective, and the answer is affirmative. It works. I sincerely hope this review sheds light on PotentStream's potential to enhance your life and deliver its promised benefits. Is PotentStream FDA approved? While supplements are not regulated by the FDA, PotentStream is manufactured in a facility in the United States certified under Good Manufacturing Practices. This certification assures that the product is produced in a safe and hygienic manner, meeting stringent standards. Money-back guarantee. PotentStream offers a generous 60-day money-back guarantee, providing assurance and confidence in its effectiveness. Side effects. PotentStream is associated with no reported side effects, ensuring a safe and worry-free experience.